Hey chickadees and ducky ducks, it's Miss Childers. We are going to do some spelling today. What I need you to do is make sure you have a paper and a pencil, or a crayon, doesn't matter. But you need something to write with. So if you don't have something to write with, pause me and go get it. Okay, I hope you've come back with something to write with. Today we're going to talk about what happens when you put the S next to the H. Who remembers? What do you get? Shh, that's right. And when you put the C next to the H, you get chicky, chicky, ch. So we are going to be spelling words that start with SH and CH. Are you ready? That looks crooked and it's driving me bananas. Can I fix that? And CH. Okay. Now you don't have to do all this, but I'm doing it because I'm a teacher and I'm crazy. Okay, you ready? So the first word we're going to write is the word chat. Chat. Think about what side it's going to go on. Think about how you would spell it. Go ahead and spell it. Chat. I chat with my brother every day. Chat. All right, can you tell me how you spelled chat? Do we do sh or ch? Ch. T. Very good. Chat. All right, the next one is the word ship. Haley saw a large ship in the ocean. Ship. All right, how did you spell ship? We have sh, I, p, p. Very good. Ship. And if you don't get them all right, that's okay. We're all learning. All right, the next one is chop. Chop. Ch. P. Did you get it? Chop. All right, our last one is the word shut. Mamaw said, shut the door. It's cold outside. Shut. All right, yeah, that's S, H, sh, t. Shut. Very good. All right, so that is your spelling for today. The next thing we're going to do is you don't need to do anything except read what I write. Okay, we're going to practice some of the words you should know. All right. So the first word I'm going to write it, and then I'll show it to you. And then I want you to read it as fast as you can. You ready? Back. Very good. Back. All right, the next one. You ready? Down. Down. Very good. Next one. Let. Let. Next one. Off. Off. Wait. Next one. This one's a toughie. Were. We were happy. Yes, were. And what's that one? What? All right, last one. Will. Very good. All right, today what you're going to do for the reading is you're going to go to the Start Right Reader, Chicks. And this should be on your HMH page. Hold on, please. And what I want you to do is reread the story Chicks on your HMH page. And then after that one, I want you to read Chicks in the Shed, okay? So as you read them, I want you to think, how are these stories different and how are they the same, okay? All right, happy reading!